Hello everyone, this is Arif. Welcome back again. So you are very worried, you are very nervous, you are very upset because you don't have perfect listening part. You are thinking all the time, I need perfect listening part. I'm listening some listening part from the YouTube. I'm downloading some listening part from the YouTube. I'm listening all the time, but it's not working. Brother, give me some solution. Help me, brother, help me. This is my dream. I have to fill up my dream. Brother, help me. Give me some proper idea. From where I will get the listening part? From where I will get the proper listening part? It's very important for me. This is my life. Brother, help me. Yes, are you thinking that? If you are thinking that, I will give you a solution today. You have to go to the Google. I think you have a mobile phone, right? If you have a mobile phone, go to the Google. So for getting the listening part, you have to select your Chrome browser. I select my Chrome browser and I will search here ELLO. Hello. Okay, I select the hello. Yeah, it's come. ELLO, triple L. And then there are so many levels is available here. You are watching verb and basic verb, colors, then adjective, days of week. There are so many part of listening part is available here, and you can download from here. It's available. I can play from here. Just one video I will play. It's very helpful for the beginners. Okay, I will play from here. So let's start.
So Todd, where are you from?
I am from the US. I am from San Francisco. It's on the West Coast.
And what do you do?
I'm an English teacher.
Yeah, from the beginner life you can listen English from here, and the subtitle is available here. Video subtitle is available here. So Todd, where are you from? The same we have listened from this video. Again I will play that.
So Todd, where are you from?
I am from the US. I am from San Francisco.
So you have watched, the subtitle is available also from here, so it will be more than easy for you to listen again and again. I will suggest you, when you listen the listening part, try to watch and listen. Try to watch the subtitle and listen and again. I think you can speak English fluently. So brother, you have to download so many videos from this website. You watched, there are so many videos available in this website, basic to advanced. So at the first time, if you are the beginner life, so you can watch the basic video. At the first time you can watch the verb, you can watch the color name, and try to pronounce like a native speaker. Listen again and again and try to pronounce. Stand in front of the mirror. I told you to stand in front of the mirror. Buy a huge mirror and stand in front of the mirror and compare your voice with native speaker. What is your voice and what is the native speaker voice? Try to compare that. If you try to follow like that, within some month you will be native speaker. You can speak English fluently because you have a goal, you have a dream, you have to fill up that. If you wait, how you will fill up that? You don't have to wait. Start working now. What are you doing? What the hell are you doing? Start working now. Don't waste your time. It's the high time for you. It's very high time for you to practice, to listen English, to speak English. Don't be afraid. Stand in front of the camera. Start speaking. At the first time you can say your name, your father's name, your mother's name. Where do you live? You can say that. What are you doing? What is your profession? What's your school name? What's your college name? What do you want to do? What is your future plan? What is your hobby? Everything you can explain at the first time because you are the beginner life. Try to say like that in front of the camera. It will be your habit day by day. Don't worry. And I think you will be successful. You will be a great English speaker. I pray for you. So I think you will give a lot of love of this video. If you like me and if you like this video, so make sure to subscribe and share and leave your valuable comment in comment box. I will see you very soon with another video. Take care. Have a nice day.